Have you ever dreamed of renovating your childhood home? Let's talk about what it really means. Dreaming of renovating your childhood home is often a sign that something inside you is changing. A childhood home usually stands for your past. It can represent your early life, your family, your memories, the lessons you learned, and even the parts of yourself that were shaped when you were growing up. So, when you are fixing, painting, cleaning, or rebuilding that home in a dream, it often means you are working on yourself. Your mind is showing you that something from your past is being repaired, improved, or looked at in a new way. Spiritually, this dream can mean that God is doing a new work inside you. Sometimes we ask God to change our future, but God first begins by healing the places in us that were affected by our past. This dream may be a reminder that real growth starts from within. It can also mean that old thoughts, old habits, or old ways of thinking are being replaced with something healthier and stronger. It is a picture of rebuilding your inner life before stepping into something new. Psychologically, this dream often appears when you are growing as a person. Maybe you have started seeing life differently. Maybe you are becoming more confident. Or maybe you are finally understanding things that confused you when you were younger. Your mind is putting all of that together through the picture of renovating your childhood home. It is saying you are not the same person you used to be. And that is okay. But there is something important to pay attention to. Ask yourself, how did I feel in the dream? If you felt happy and excited while renovating the house, it is usually a good sign. It shows healing, growth, and positive change. If the work felt hard, slow, or stressful, it may mean there are still areas in your life that need time, patience, and care. Growth does not always happen overnight. If the house became stronger and more beautiful, it can be a sign that your life is becoming stronger because of the changes happening inside you. But if you kept trying to fix the house and nothing worked, it may be showing that there is something from your past that still needs your attention instead of being ignored. Hope you are following. So, what should you do after having this kind of dream? First, take a little time to think about your past. Is there something you have learned recently about yourself? Second, if there is pain or regret you have been carrying, ask God to help you let it go and bring healing where it is needed. Third, keep growing, learn new things, build healthy habits. Forgive when you can. Every small step is like adding another strong brick to the house of your life. And finally, do not be afraid of change. Sometimes the best version of you is built by repairing what was broken, not by pretending it never happened. A dream about renovating your childhood home is usually not about the building itself. It is about you. It is a reminder that healing is possible, growth is possible, and every new season often begins with a stronger foundation inside you. That's all for this video. In the next one, I'll be sharing another powerful dream meaning you don't want to miss. So if this helped you, please follow or subscribe to the channel and like the video and tell me in the comment what dream should I interpret next.